I just gotta say it, I'm amazed at how much money I have made off of YouTube, considering I only have 40,000 subscribers. And with my videos performing so well, I was making $100 to $150 a day passively. If you told me back then I'd be making this much money posting YouTube videos, I would think you were crazy. And for only having 40,000 subscribers, I'm surprised at how much I actually got paid. It made me realize that regular everyday people could become YouTube creators and make enough money to live off of it.
I remember when nobody believed in me. I made $1 million, changed the scenery. I still remember when women were mean to me. These days I walk in the club with security. These days I'm feeling a change in the energy. These days you know that I gotta move differently.
So back in 2011, when I was 12 years old, I created my YouTube channel. And the only reason I created it, I remember it to this day, I only created it because there was a video that was age restricted. So I couldn't watch the video unless I had an account. And never in my wildest dreams would I have imagined that something would come out of it, because I think, like a lot of people, I just created my YouTube channel to watch videos. Fast forward 7 years, it's 2018, and I had just started my social media marketing agency. At the time, I was making more money than I had ever made in my life, so I wanted to post some of the cool stuff that I was doing. So in 2018, I posted my first video, and it was called Traveling the World in 2018, Rene Lacad. And when I posted it, I kid you not, it got 1 view. And at the time, I didn't really care. Growing up, I never really got a chance to travel, so I was traveling for the first time in my life. I was running a successful business. Never in a million years did I think that I could make money on YouTube. So from 2018 to 2019, I posted a couple more videos. It wasn't anything crazy, just a couple lifestyle videos, and it wasn't anything serious. They got a couple hundred views. In order to get monetized on YouTube, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in 1 year. And I was nowhere near that yet. I was getting a couple hundred views. So it wasn't even the thought that crossed my mind to make money on YouTube, to get monetized. It wasn't until 2020 when I started growing on TikTok and Instagram that I decided, you know what the heck, let me start doing this YouTube stuff too. And that's when I started posting my first serious YouTube videos. And like anything, when you put in effort, you start to see some results. So my views started to grow. I went from getting 1 view to 100 views to then eventually a couple thousand views every couple days. I know it might not seem like a lot, but at the time it was the most I had ever gotten on YouTube. So I was pretty hype about that. And something about seeing results is super motivating, because you just want to have more success. So that's exactly what I did. Going into 2021, I was doing the best I had ever done on YouTube. My videos were getting a little bit over 1,000 views a day. And again, not much, but it was so much progress, and I was on the verge of finally getting monetized. Something that I never thought of. I was there at that point. So I get monetized, I keep posting, and then it happened. On March 26th, 2021, I posted a video called How I Became a Millionaire at 24. And at first it got 1,000 views. Then before you know it, 8,000 views. Then right after that, 50,000 views, then 100,000 views, then 200,000 views. I thought I was gonna be the next Jake Paul or the next Logan Paul, because I had never seen a YouTube video of mine do those kinds of numbers. And that's when I started to see the YouTube money. My channel was getting anywhere from 5,000 to 15,000 views a day. Imagine how I felt when I check my bank and I see a $3,000 deposit from YouTube AdSense. I didn't know it at the time, but the way YouTube monetization works is that channels that post business content get paid more for every 1,000 views, whereas an entertainment or vlog channel, you might get $7 for every 1,000 views you get. On a business channel, I was getting $22 for every 1,000 views that I got. And with my videos performing so well, I was making $100 to $150 a day passively. So naturally, I just kept posting videos. I had videos that did well, I had videos that did not do so well, but overall, my channel kept growing. I did my 90-day challenge series, I did my ayahuasca documentary, I had a few shorts that went viral. All of these did pretty well, but they were never really able to replicate that original video that went viral. The thing about YouTube that I didn't know at the time, it's all about consistency, but more than that, it's about quality, because you're competing for viewership with all the other creators. So if you create a video that's not quality, no one watches it and the algorithm never really picks it up.
Make 100 videos and improve something every time. Do that.
And since I was making so much more from my other businesses, I never really fully committed to YouTube, and that passive YouTube income started to slow down. I didn't post consistently, I posted filler videos, and to make matters even worse, at some point, I just stopped posting altogether, and I talk about that here in this video. So my views slowed down, and those $3,000 months became $2,000 months, which became $1,000 months, and eventually I was having months where I was only making 500 bucks on YouTube. So that brings us to this video. How much has YouTube paid me all in all with 40,000 subscribers? Starting in April 2021 when I first got monetized to now, February 2023, YouTube has paid me a grand total of, drumroll please, $26,775.93. And I don't know about you, but to me, that's not that bad considering I only have 40,000 subscribers. I didn't post consistently, and I posted a lot of videos I wasn't proud of. All that being said, YouTube still managed to pay me $30,000. I made $30,000 just posting YouTube videos. On top of that, as a YouTuber, you shouldn't just rely on AdSense to pay you. AdSense should just be a bonus. As a YouTuber, you need to capitalize on monetizing your own audience, whether that's by doing brand deals or selling them your own products. Even though YouTube only paid me close to $27,000, I probably made an additional $100,000 from the customers that I've brought to my education company or my supplement company. So when I think about it, YouTube has actually brought me a lot of money and I learned a lot of valuable lessons. In fact, I even decided to take YouTube super serious this year. Recently, I just unlisted a bunch of videos that I wasn't proud of. I want to treat this like my job and I want to work hard and create things that I'm proud of. From now on, I'm only uploading high quality content consistently to take my YouTube channel to the next level. So if you enjoyed this video, it would really help me out if you subscribed, liked, left a comment, do whatever it takes to get this on the algorithm. Make sure the algorithm picks it up. We need to catch up to this video. I appreciate you. Until next time, love you guys.
I remember when nobody believed in me. I made a million, changed the scenery. I still remember when women were mean to me.